أهلا وسهلا فيكم في مطبخي مطبخ سمر أكلات ستة. Welcome to my kitchen with grandma's recipe. Today our dish is very unique, very special, easy as well, but I'm gonna do this dish in a memory of my son Nassim. Passed away today 3 years ago. So he used to love this dish. He used to let me make it for him every once in a while, actually maybe twice a week, and he used to love it. Among other, he wasn't a big eater, but there's a few things that he usually eats, and this dish is one of those that he loved. And also he used to want it perfect. He wanted me to make it perfect, and he liked the way I make it. So today I'm gonna share that with you, and I'm hoping that you can like it and as much as he did. So what we have here, I have mussels. That's what he used to love. So mussels, I washed them. It needs to be really washed from outside, like scrubbed. And also it had a bit of it's like a hair or mustache they call it, so you have to pull that out, each one. And if there's one that it's open, you have to get rid of it. It's no good to eat. So they need to be closed, and when you cook it, then they're open up. So this is mussel. I have 4 pounds of mussels here, 4 pounds. Also I have chopped tomato. I have 5 tomato chopped, green pepper, 1 whole red pepper, 1 medium onion, 10 cloves of garlic, some parsley, and also 2 small hot peppers. I have rosemary, and I have thyme. I have tomato sauce and butter, olive oil, and we also have the spices: salt, pepper, also cumin, and a bit of paprika. So that one, and we need a frying pan. So we can start turning on and putting the butter in. So we can start with the butter. See, 1, we'll put 2 in there. And the garlic. Onion. These ones we start first. So we add in the garlic. Now we're adding tomatoes. We're adding the green pepper and the red pepper and the chili. We're leaving the parsley. Now, can I add tomato? See, now the green pepper, the red pepper, onion, garlic, they all saute together. Okay. Now we need the tomato to saute with that. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna add the salt pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. We already have the hot pepper there, so if you like more crushed pepper, you're free to do that as well. So let that simmer. We'll put the rosemary and the thyme. We also have 1 cup of beef broth. So we can see if we need that. If there's not too much juice, then we add that on there as well. Yeah, so he used to love having that and eat more, and also shrimp and crab legs. That's all he used to eat. If anybody know him, they know that's what he used to love eating. Coming really nicely. I'm gonna add the tomato sauce, half a cup of tomato sauce. Add that on there. Smells so good. I'm gonna turn down the heat to medium or a bit less. Let's check on it. See, it's getting thick. It's nice. We need juice, so I'm gonna add the 1 cup of broth. Gonna let it boil for just a little bit. It's boiling. See, just another minute or so. هاي الأكلة أكلة المصل، كتير كتير طيبة. وهاي عن روح ابني نسيم، صار 3 سنين متوفي. شكلها كأنها زي امبارح يعني. الله يرحم مواتنا أجمعين. Okay, so now it's boiling. See how it's boiling like this? It's really nice. So now I'm gonna add the mussel to the stew. Slowly and mix. Slowly and mix. So this way all the mussel will get enough of the stew. See, it looks so nice. Now they can start to open. He used to love it. I keep saying he used to love it, and I mean it. Allah yarhamah. Gonna higher the heat just a bit. And I am gonna close the lid. Just higher it a little bit more. Gonna add a bit olive oil. You can't forget olive oil. And a bit of lemon. Okay. 10 minutes. Can you keep checking up on the mussels? See, it's starting, some of them started to open. See, that's the way we want it. See, that's the way We want our mussel. It's opening. So just gonna flip it over so this way all of it will get the juice. So start to open. It started to open like this. That's what we want. We want it to open. Okay. Still going, still opening, and that's what we want. See how it's opening? Really good. It's opening really nicely. All of them, most of them are opening. So just a little bit more. And the juice, really good. If he know I'm doing this and I'm doing this show, he's gonna be so proud of me, as he was always, and I was proud of him as well. He gave me 23 years of his life, and I really appreciate that, and I missed him so much. Allah yarham. Just pray for him and ادعوا له بالرحمة وشكرا لكم. هلا عنا البقدونس. بدي اقطع شوية بصل اخضر بس هيك يعني نحطه على الوجه. طيب على هيك احنا انتهت طبختنا لليوم. شوفوا على هالمنظر، شوفوا على هالمنظر كيف بجنن، وريحته عن جد كتير كتير طيبة. خلينا ندوق طعمه. كتير كتير طيب، كتير طيب. هلا احنا بدنا نجيب وعاء هيك واديرهم وارجيكم كيف شكلهم. اخ ياي ما ازكاهم. شوفوا على هالمنظر. هلا احنا هيك نحط البقدونس من فوق والبصل الاخضر، وعلى هيك خلصت طبختنا لليوم. شكرا كتير لإلكم لمشاركتكم، وادعوا وادعوا لمواتنا بالرحمة. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit. Thank you. God bless your heart. And pray for our loved ones who passed away, and in memory of their death. شكرا كتير لإلكم، ولا تنسونا وتنسوا مشاركتكم لإلنا. شكرا.